Hi, Ian Griffith here with Keystone Fuzion. Today I want to dive into our most important update for 2022, the inclusion of our SolarFlex package on all Fuzion and Impact models. Come with me and I'm going to talk to you about how it can help your camping experience out in the field. The first upgrade package available for all Keystone Fuzion and Impact products is the SolarFlex 400i. The SolarFlex 400i increases your solar generating capacity with a second 200-watt solar panel, an additional roof port for expansion of your system, a 2,000-watt inverter, and a smart shunt battery monitoring system. There's also an additional inverted loop that's ran to one of your air conditioners for future expansion of this to be able to operate the bedroom air conditioner off of your solar package. The Keystone Fuzion and Impact fifth wheel lineup also offers the SolarFlex 600IL. The 600IL package increases your solar panels to two 300-watt solar panels, your inverter to a 3,000-watt inverter that includes a soft start air conditioner that will run off your also included Dragonfly lithium-ion batteries. Thanks for coming along with me through the options for SolarFlex for the Keystone Fuzion and Impact product lines. If you want more information, please visit us at KeystoneRV.com. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube page where we're going to put more content out, like this SolarFlex playlist.